What if your team could instantly access employee expense reports and view supporting receipts with a single click, regardless of whether or not the report arrived by mail, fax, or electronically, from any number of locations? The benefits would be added convenience and save time. Your team would have the information they need at their fingertips, while they could also track reports and answer questions in seconds, and manage the employees' supporting receipts, regardless of shape or size. ImageNow, Enterprise Document Management, Imaging and Workflow from Perceptive Software quickly links the appropriate employee record within your existing travel and expense application with your employees' receipts. So the expense report and supporting receipts can be automatically routed to the appropriate person for quick processing. Let's watch it in action. Sarah, a sales associate, makes a travel request. She faxes your travel coordinator the request form. Using ImageNow Workflow, the coordinator routes the request to Sarah's manager. An email notification arrives in the manager's inbox and includes a link to the form requiring her review. The manager applies an approval and date stamp to the form. Once her review is complete, the form returns to the coordinator's queue for processing. A cycle that once took days is completed in a fraction of the time. Here's another example of ImageNow's impact on the expense process. Derek, from your facilities team, recently purchased supplies on his personal credit card. He filed an expense report and calls to find out where his reimbursement stands. Quickly, your accounting associate accesses Derek's record from the expense application. Clicking the ImageNow button displays a list of his reports. You select the one in question and see the document's history and status. The expense report was approved by Derek's manager yesterday, and his check is scheduled to be cut. You assure him that he should receive his check soon. If your company uses an employee self-service portal, ImageNow provides additional advantages. For example, let's say one of your employees, Teresa, submits a report. The following week, Teresa receives a reimbursement check, but the amount is less than expected. Because ImageNow allows documents such as expense reports to be imaged and linked to the portal, Teresa can simply log in to retrieve the report herself. In doing so, she sees an annotation that indicates the theater tickets she expensed were not reimbursable per company guidelines. With ImageNow, the self-service portal further reduces the number of inquiries your team may need to handle. ImageNow, Enterprise Document Management, Imaging and Workflow software, allows employees' travel and expense transactions to be processed rapidly and accurately, letting your staff focus on other important activities.